I'm Magda Origanska from Macedonia.
My name is Zvonimir Trifunar from Croatia.
My name is Simona Milanovic from Serbia.
My name is Đorđe Mrdak from Montenegro.
My name is Vanja Lazić from Bosnia and Herzegovina.
My name is Bartosz Škreli.
Pristin, Kosovo.
All the monuments here are connected with victory.
What is the cost of the project?
Over 400 million.
Jedna od prvih stvari koju sam primijetila je fotografija koju imate na zidu.
Živeo Ratko Mladić.
I'm just waiting for my degree to get away from the peninsula. West or south, north, east, I don't really care.
I'm gonna tell about this to a lot of people.
I think that we're the majority.